1 Minute Japanese Lesson 7.
Welcome to 1 Minute Japanese.
It's Mark and Yoshiko here, your Japanese teachers, bringing you 1 Minute Japanese from the Radiolingua Network. Each lesson of 1 Minute Japanese teaches you a few words and phrases in 60 seconds or thereabouts. Last lesson, you learned to introduce yourself. In Lesson 7, you'll learn how to say it's nice to meet someone.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Can you remember how to say my name is? Yoshiko would say,
私の名前はよしこです。
when you meet someone, it's only polite to say that it's nice to meet them. There's a word in Japanese that's used very commonly for this. You would say,
はじめまして。
now that's quite tricky. Let's split it up into syllables. Listen again.
はじめまして。
Try it one more time.
はじめまして。
Good. So maybe your new Japanese speaking friend could help you with your Japanese. Listen to this phrase.
私に日本語を教えてください。
You've already heard the word nihongo. It means Japanese. And in this phrase, you're saying, teach me Japanese, please. Try saying it after Yoshiko. She'll say it slowly.
私に日本語を教えてください。
Try it one more time.
私に日本語を教えてください。
Time's up, and once again, I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned in this lesson will go down well with your Japanese-speaking friends or business colleagues you meet. Try to listen again to this episode, particularly to the second phrase, which was quite difficult. That's all for today.
ありがとう。そしてさようなら。
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.